Hello everyone. Today we have product Wi-Fi 360-degree security camera and we have CP Plus brand camera. Today we gonna learn how to connect CP Plus 360 Wi-Fi camera to mobile. Let's start. We will connect power to the camera. We will hear audio instruction when camera is ready for installation.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
Then we will make sure that our mobile is connected with 2.4 gigahertz. 5 gigahertz will not support. Then we will install EasyCam application from App Store. Then open the application. Now we have to make an account. If you are new user, so for that we have to select sign up, and if you are an existing user, then sign in with your login ID. After login, you will see this home page. Then select plus sign, tap on it and select the model you have. You can find model name bottom side of the camera or on the box. You make sure that blue light is blinking in camera. Then select next step and press next. As I told you that we need to connect with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only. So make sure that your mobile is connected with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And if you have not given location permission, so it does ask for that. Then you will automatically get this your Wi-Fi name and you need to connect with that Wi-Fi password. You have to enter your Wi-Fi password and you will get one QR code on display. Now we will scan QR code with Wi-Fi camera. For that you have to keep that QR code in front of the camera like this and move accordingly. Sometimes it scans immediately, sometimes it takes time. When camera scans successfully, you will hear audio prompt from camera, Wi-Fi connection success. Then you press next. Now your camera is ready to use. If you wish to change name, you can edit here and change it. You can rotate your camera up, down, left, right, 360 degree, and many more features are available in setting. So you can do as per your requirement. Please subscribe our channel for more updates and more new product available at our store. Our store is only in Hyderabad and we do not have delivery option for buying our product. Please visit our store Kukatpally, Hyderabad. Address is given in description. Thank you for watching. We deal with all type of electronic accessories, computer accessories, mobile accessories and mobile service as well. In smartwatch, wide range available with us at our store. So do visit our store and find it, love it and buy it.